Everywhere you look, life moves in patterns. Flocks of birds soaring together, packs of wolves coordinating a hunt, herds of elephants walking in unison, and then, there's us, humans. We are the ultimate social species. Our very survival, our ability to thrive, even the rise of civilization, all of it depends on one simple truth. We are meant to live together. But why? Why is being social so deeply hardwired into our nature? The answer lies in the wild history of humanity itself. Imagine standing on the African savanna hundreds of thousands of years ago. You are small compared to the predators around you. You have no sharp claws, no thick fur, no wings to fly away. Alone, you are vulnerable. But together something extraordinary happens. You form a group. Some keep watch, some gather food, others protect the children. Suddenly, survival becomes possible. Our earliest ancestors discovered something powerful: unity, the ability to cooperate, to communicate danger, to share food. This became our greatest advantage. Those who could work well with others passed on their genes. And so, generation after generation, our brains became wired for connection. The human brain is often called the most complex structure in the known universe, and a large part of it exists solely to understand other people. We read faces, we sense emotions, we predict what someone might do next. All of this happens in fractions of a second, because in the past, misunderstanding someone's intentions could mean life or death. When we interact with others, chemicals like oxytocin flood our brains, making us feel trust and bonding. Dopamine rewards us with pleasure when we connect. Even serotonin levels rise, boosting our mood when we feel accepted. Biology itself pushes us toward togetherness. Then came language, humanity's most powerful invention. With words we could coordinate hunts, teach each other skills, warn of danger and tell stories. Stories were more than entertainment, they carried lessons. Which plants to eat, where to find water, which animals to avoid. They gave meaning to life and forged a shared identity. Language allowed us to scale our cooperation far beyond the small family group. Villages formed, tribes united, alliances were made. This was the beginning of culture. As our numbers grew, so did our need for structure. Communities became larger, and with them came new challenges. We built systems, leaders to guide decisions, rules to keep order, rituals to bind us together. Food was shared, tools were exchanged, and music was played around fires. This was no longer just survival, it was the birth of society. But what happens when we are cut off from others? Loneliness is not just an emotion, it is a biological signal like hunger or thirst, telling us something is wrong. Modern science shows that prolonged isolation can weaken the immune system, raise stress hormones, and even shorten our lifespan. Being alone for too long is as harmful to our health as some of the deadliest habits. We are built to connect, and when that connection is broken, we suffer, physically, mentally, and emotionally. Our ability to cooperate is what makes us unique. No other species can organize on such a massive scale. Together, we built cities that touch the clouds, ships that cross oceans, and technology that connects billions of people instantly. Every invention you use, every piece of knowledge you have, it came from someone before you. We are not just individuals, we are part of a chain stretching back through time. Today we have more ways to connect than ever before. From handwritten letters to instant video calls, from village markets to global trade, our social world has expanded beyond imagination. Even when we play games, share art, or post on social media, we are fulfilling the same ancient drive our ancestors had, the drive to belong. We are not the only social animals. Bees dance to share directions. Dolphins teach each other hunting tricks. Wolves care for their sick and elderly. The natural world is full of examples that remind us, cooperation is not weakness, it is strength. And humanity has taken that lesson to its greatest extreme, creating vast networks that stretch across continents, linking billions of hearts and minds. Our story is proof that we are not meant to walk this path alone. We are shaped by our families, our friends, our neighbors, and even strangers we will never meet. So when you talk to someone you love, when you help a stranger, or even when you watch a video like this, you are continuing a story millions of years in the making. This is why we are social animals. Not just because it helps us survive, but because it gives life meaning. We are the species that learn to thrive together, and that perhaps is our greatest achievement.